Welcome back to the channel.
Pretty much access to everything you need the wristband for. Okay. Demo rides, the expo, okay. Talks.
Hello.
How are ya?
Good, good.
In this video, we visit the 2023 edition of Americade, the big motorcycle rally that takes place each year at Lake George, New York.
There's no exit.
Stay tuned as we take you through the demo area, the expo, and talk to some cool motorcyclists. We registered for the day to get access to parking, as well as the demo and expo areas.
Come on. And the pickup truck too. Yep.
We went late Thursday morning, but the roads seemed to be strangely empty.
So is that where everybody's standing, right? Oh, okay, right. That's why you see the column of people. I think Honda is here.
Americade offers one wristband that's good for the entirety of the rally, or you can just buy a day pass, which is what we did.
Good luck with that. Row 3, okay.
When we pulled into the main parking area, though, you could see that lots of people had gotten there before we had.
Oh, look at the track there too. Whoa, we can see. Okay. I don't care.
I located a spot under a little tree. Any bit of shade is useful on a day that's supposed to reach the low 90s.
The ground is very firm, but the grass is very slippery.
Andrea and Art found a spot for both bikes.
Let me go grab that thing.
Look at that.
Oh, I just wore my sneakers. You're very well organized.
A little slippery for Andre on the Street Fighter, but we managed to park. I got a little bit of shade, so we're gonna go in and see what's happening inside. Before we bother filling out
Each motorcycle brand runs their own demo, so you have to go around and see what you have to do to sign up and what bikes are available.
stand. We're at the beta stand. They're showing the bikes, but obviously being off-road bikes, you can't really demo them on an organized ride. But they look pretty cool. Saw just on a bicycle. I don't know. These demos.
These are up.
I've already all signed up, but we'll find out.
They were just out at the pit. We do have tires on.
Last time I came to Americade, BMW had just brought a gazillion of those custom, but I see that they brought a
We didn't have too much luck signing up for demos, but we did find some free stuff.
Those are useful.
This is very useful.
How does it feel?
Fairly heavy. I can't
Heavy?
really tell that it's like probably heavier than the multi. That's what it feels like. But
Register you,
Right.
and then we'll give you one of these cards, which works for all the bikes. And then whenever the bike comes back, really,
Just wait for it.
wait for it.
Okay,
So if you guys
that's
want
what
to
I think.
register right now.
Okay. How's the volunteering going?
going okay so far. I haven't had to do a thing. My shift starts at 3. So this is my friend Steve. He's just visiting me.
Hi Steve, Wendy.
Yep, this
Nice
is
to meet
Wendy.
you.
We met up with new
Andre.
friend Rob, who rode with us a couple weeks ago and was volunteering at Americade.
Speaker.
We live locally.
Okay, so
So yeah.
we might be able to come back another day.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Just get it.
We were full by 9:30 this morning.
Yeah.
So, but we'd love to have you come back and try one. So.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
I still haven't been able to try the Africa Twin, sadly. At this point, we were pretty much hot and hungry, and so decided to find some food and then go to the Expo.
Was wearing leather pants and
Lake George is gorgeous from this vantage point. We entered the Expo to see what vendors were there and seek out a little bit of shade.
Here we are at Cardo. We need art, as always, trying to convince any new rider that we need. They need to immediately get a Cardo and join our group. Ah,
But
here's an idea for Des.
We saw a few options for bringing our cat Desmo on the
Found
motorcycles.
my place, baby.
Just as I was craving an iced coffee, I saw motorcycles and coffee. We loved hearing Andy's stories. We could have stayed and talked to him for hours.
Best experience with the Kickstart, we were in Mongolia in August. I come out of a yurt, right, with the family, and it's August. Come out, and the bikes are frozen. And I was like, oh, we are Kickstarted, so we're up there. And finally, one of the Nomad guys or whatever, Mongolian guys, comes over. And he brings over a yak.
that's the bike.
Yeah, his cow, right? And I grab a string, and I'm holding this cord. And he slaps that thing on the ass, and he goes running across the field. And I'm in second, and I let up on the clutch. I get one, I just get like, no, I'm not stopping.
I was especially excited to meet Maggie McNally. She is the first woman to be elected chair to the AMA Board of Directors.
Who runs a different agenda.
She and a group of other women motorcyclists were also giving a talk about their experiences riding together in Pakistan.
Started these trips, and they're all motorcycle chartered trips that to bring people over and to start rebuilding tourism. And Tony does a great job. We had a blast.
We did it on the small Hondas. Is that what I
150s. Yeah, those big bikes over there. Most of them were little 85s, and everything's a 100 streets. I can tell you, water crossings and sand. Yeah, it was interesting. Some of them were big sheer drops with switchbacks. That,
I saw.
I don't do heights.
Yeah,
I was just saying, I don't know about that.
Did you make it to Americade this year? Tell us about it in the comments. And please like, comment, and subscribe to help the channel. Thanks so much.